First up is the power supply board. We are going to want to get these clips removed first before we get the screws out. Did a little pre-work here, getting this tape removed, make ourselves a little bit easier time. Use your thumbnail to get this flap depressed. You can just walk that right out of the board. Same thing with both of these guys. We're just going to use our finger to push down on that. We do want to use as much of the actual clip as possible to remove this. You just push that down and it comes right out. This one, same thing. Push it down, comes right out. We just got a handful of screws and this one will be finished. And that is the power supply board for this Sony unit. Last up is the main board. We're going to want to get this plastic piece off, set it off to the side. Now we're going to want to get these clips removed. This guy right here just comes right out, little micro USB. This guy's going to have two pieces that you push down on the right and left side, which releases the latches. It should just come away from the board. And if you're having issues where one side's coming out and the other side isn't, just replug it back in and then try one more time. This one's going to have a clip on the back of it. You just use your thumbnail to depress it. Just pull it right out. Same thing with this guy. It's going to have this large flap on the top. So use your thumbnail to push it down. If you need to, you can remove this piece of tape here, but I think we should be okay here today. This one, LVDS cables 1 and 2 right here. We're going to want to push down on the two plastic tabs on the right and left side, and then pull that right away from the board. After that, we should just have a handful of screws and this should be coming up. This input right here is a separate board. It'll just come away. We can lay that off to the side. I do believe that's going to do it for screws. It feels like there is a little bit of adhesive. All of these white pieces right here, keeping the board fixed to the chassis. And that's it for the main board.